Hello everyone, welcome to another simple tutorial of Windows 10 to OpenBox channel. So in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to reset your Windows 10 in how to reset your Windows 10 or reset your PC. So you want to reset your PC because you got some viruses or your computer is slow and there's some problem in your recent computer and you want to reset your PC for whatever reason you have. So to find the option of the reset PC, you have to go to the Windows Start menu, then go to Settings, click on Settings, then you have to go to the option Update and Security. Click on Update and Security, then in the left menu, you'll have an option called Recovery. Click on Recovery, then you can see here is the option called Reset this PC. If your PC isn't running well, resetting it might help. This lets you choose to keep your personal files or remove them and then reinstalls Windows. So it will reinstall the Windows again and it will become the first time you bought your PC, like it's gonna be a new Windows and remove all the files. So if you click on Get Started, Windows will give you two options. One is keep my files and second is remove everything. Now first option is removes apps and settings but keeps your personal files. And the second option is remove all of your personal files, apps and settings. So the first option means is that it will remove the settings and the program that installed in your computer but keeps your personal files. So for example, if you have an installed program that can save some documents, so it will remove your installed program but it will keeps your documents that you save or any text file, jpg file, image file. It will save the files if you want to save the files that are important to you. So it will just remove the installed program and install the Windows again, but it will keep your important files if you want to keep it. And the second option is removes all of your personal files, apps and settings. So it will wipe up everything will be new in this. So it will delete every installed program and every documents, images or text file that you have. So you have to choose one of them here. So choose wisely what you want to do. If you want to keep your personal files but delete your installed program, and the if you want to reset this PC like this, so choose option 1. And if you want to delete everything and give it a new look in your Windows, so choose the second option. So I tell you again, choose wisely what you want to do. So this is so if you click on the option first, it will remove your installed program but it will keep your personal files, and the second option will delete everything. So this is how you reset your PC in Windows 10. Go to the settings, go to the recovery and choose one of the options that you want to have, and this is how it will remove your virus or the problem that you reason that you're having that your computer is slow. So this is it. This is a very simple tutorial. So if you find this video helpful, please subscribe to my channel and thanks for watching.